In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an app from your device, specifically on your iPhone or iPad. Whether you're freeing up space or simply tidying up your home screen, removing an app is a straightforward process, and we've got it down to just a few simple steps. First, let's begin by finding the app that you wish to delete from your home screen. It might be tucked away in a folder or sitting right there on your main screen, but either way, a quick visual scan should help you locate it. If you're having trouble finding it, you can always use the search feature by swiping down on your home screen to type in the app's name. Once you've found the app, the next step is to tap and hold on the app icon. You don't want just a quick tap. This time you'll need to press and hold your finger on the icon. Keep holding until you notice a menu appearing. This gentle press activates the options for handling the app. You might see the icon start to wiggle, which is a visual cue that you're in the right mode. Now in the menu that appears, you'll spot an option that says Remove App. Go ahead and tap on this option. Don't worry, the app isn't gone yet. This step is simply priming your device to confirm the deletion. You're basically saying to your device, yes, this is the one I want to remove. Following that, you'll see another option pop up, which is Delete App. Tapping Delete App will prompt a confirmation message. This is just to double check that you really want to remove this app, especially since this action can't be undone. Make sure that this is indeed the app you want to remove, because once it's gone for good unless you download it again from the App Store. So when you're certain, confirm your choice by tapping Delete. And just like that, you've successfully removed the app from your device. It should disappear from your home screen, freeing up space and bringing you one step closer to having the organized home screen of your dreams. Deleting an app is a quick and easy way to manage the space on your device, helping to keep things running smoothly. And remember, you can always re-download the apps later if you find you need them again. I hope you found these instructions helpful. Thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for more tips and tricks to simplify your tech life.